how to change your email address on Vinted. Hello everyone, welcome once again. In this tutorial, you will be learning how you can change your email address on Vinted. So watch the end. The first step, log in into your Vinted account just like I've done here. On the home page, you would see a number of products that has been uploaded by different sellers. Then move to the top right corner where you can see your inbox icon, notifications, favorite, your profile picture, and then just click on it. Then in the drop-down menu that appears, click on settings. All right, so after clicking on settings, you will be brought to your settings page where you will see profile details like about you, country, town, language. So move to the left side of the screen and click on account settings, which is below profile details. So by clicking on account settings, you will be brought to your account settings page. On this page, you can see your email address, you can see your phone number, you can see your full name, you can see your gender, you can see other options, right? So ensure you move to your email address, then move to the right side and click on change. So after clicking on change, confirmation email will be sent to you to be sure that you're actually the one trying to change your email address. So click on send confirmation email. Then the next step will be for you to click on the plus icon at the top part of the screen and then head over to your inbox. All right, and so just go ahead and locate the confirmation email. So once you're on this page, you can see the confirmation email. Click on confirm your email change, scroll down, click on the change email option, and then you'll be taken to another page where you'll be asked to enter in the new email that you would like to use. And so just go ahead and type that right now at gmail.com. And then move to the right side and click on the change button. Then an email will be sent to your new address. So click got it, then head over to your new to the email address that you'd like to change it to. Click on the link that has been sent there. So I'll do that right away. So this is the email address that I want to use now, and this is the confirmation mail that has been sent to me. So click on confirm this email and then wait for it to load, and then just like that, your email address has been changed, and then you'll be asked to log in again this way. So the next step would be to follow the same procedures that you used in logging in, and you're good to go. So this is how you can change your email easily on your Vinted account. So ensure you try this out. Thanks for watching and have a good day.